At Scary Spooky Hilarious.
Put him down! He's starting a fire! We need to get that from him! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down right now! Put it down! Fucking ground! Fucking ground! Right now! What are you doing?
He started the West Hills fire because that was started at a parking lot. He's going to come over here and light up this area.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that something?
No, this is crazy. I can't even believe it. Because I'm like
a 30-year-old guy, you know.
crazy. Because I'm like, how does a fire jump literal cities?
I know. I can understand there, but all the way over to West
Exactly.
Hills,
That doesn't make any sense. Okay.
all right.
Thanks for letting me know, guys.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Commander 21 Charles, Roger. Commander 21 Adam is transferring incident command. Commander 21
Yeah, yeah.